Hey guys, in this video exclusively on the Noble Motorsport channel, I'm going to teach you how to disassemble the headlight for those who want to replace it with the newer model on the Audi RS. Let's get started. Just a reminder, this is exclusive content, so give it a like. The tools you'll need are a Torx. To start, this side trim here, you just pull it off. In order to remove the trim, if you look inside here, we have two screws. We will use the Torx and unscrew them here. That is one more removed. We've taken out both. How do we remove the headlight? It's very simple. It's a little bit hard to pull out. I'm going to use a plastic wrench to help. There you go. The headlight has been completely removed. So to recap, we have two screws, one screw here and one here on the back of the headlight. These are the two fittings that will go together. These two pegs will fit into two holes right here, the two screws, and obviously the connector, which plugs directly into the headlight. This is the external headlight. We know it as the headlight outside of the bodywork. To put it back together, we'll first attach the headlight on the spring compartment cover, which fits tightly near the bottom. The headlight is back on. Now all we have to do is put the side trims back on. The side trim is fixed, the headlight is attached, and the trim is fitted. Everything is okay. Now let's move on to the second part, where we'll disassemble and assemble the headlight in the trunk lid area. In order to remove the headlight on the side, or the headlight on the trunk lid, we will need a few keys, primarily a plastic key to open it up. All of them have this original finish. The second thing we'll need is a ratchet wrench, an extender, and an 8mm wrench. Okay guys, let's put the wrenches together. Before we do that, the screws that hold the headlight are right here, at the tip of the key. This one is on the tip of the key. I'm pointing out these three. Let's put the wrench together and start unscrewing the screws. The first one is already out, an 8mm wrench. The second one wasn't tight enough, so it's good that I'm disconnecting them even more tightly in the next assembly. All of the screws that secure the light are removed. We will remove the side trim, which is this one. Continue here. As you can see, I've already loosened the internal screws that hold the headlight. To finish, we only need a single tool. What is a plastic key and why? Because this flashlight still has latches that hold it in place. So we fit it down here, and that's it. Very simple. The flashlight is already out, okay? Let me open it here. Ready guys, remove. Connector is in hand. Entire flashlight is out. Perfect. Here's the flashlight. Here's the car's original connector. Here's the connector for the LED flashlight for those who had questions or would like to see what it is like, right? Here's her little wire harness. There are 2 brown wires, 1 yellow, 1 green, and 1 red. So there are 2, 4, 5 wires in here. There are also 2, 4, 5 little plugs. So for those who were curious, disassembled, learned how to disassemble and how to change the flashlight. Now I'm going to put it back together again. The pins, as I told you, are this one, this one. Here, this one, and this one that's stuck on the inside, okay? So put it back together now. Put the light back in. It already has the guide pins, so there's not much to go wrong. The light is already locked in. I opened the trunk, plugged the plug back in. I'll come back with you again so you can see how it's reassembled, even though it's the same. But it doesn't hurt to show you what it's like. For those who haven't seen this one is the plug. This one is the car's original plug. This one is the car's original plug. And this one is the flashlight plug. It's hooked up. The other one pushed the red clip. It locked right here. We put it in, and now we are going to replace the nuts to secure the flashlight. So remember, there are 3 nuts. One goes here, very tight. The last one very tight. Very tight, ready, installation finished. Close, ready, resolved, installed. Everything okay, unique content, noble channel motorsport. Give us that strength. The only one that does this type of tutorial, right? No one does online. So here is a step-by-step guide showing you how to install the RS3's LED flashlight.